friends, this is a women's summer 3/4 pant and 3/4 sleeveless suit. How can I get a set of clothes like this in one go? The collar of the clothes can still be seen, making it easy to wear. How to make a suit set of clothes like this one easy to carry? The collar of the clothes can still be seen for easy dressing. Turn the clothes to the back and start folding. Fold the sleeves on both sides of the clothes. Place the folded pants on the body. Fold the collar downwards to cover the pants. With the pockets and hems folded upwards, fold them into the pocket to complete the set.